What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jacelyn and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be all about the Denman brush. So there's so many different ways that you can style your hair using the Denman brush, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Denman brush to help create those really nice defined clumped curls. So if you guys want to see how to get those clump curls, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and washed my hair last night and I just re-wetted to apply my products. For leave-in conditioner, I'm using the Natural Mother's Curl Talk 3-in-1 conditioner. Just applying that much to all my hair. All over. Always like to use a leave-in conditioner first because it really helps with slip and it helps detangle my hair if I've washed my hair the night before. So that's why I like to apply the leave-in conditioner first, and also to give me that extra moisture that my hair needs at times. If you guys are interested in what shampoo and conditioner I used on my wash routine, I'll go ahead and post that down in the description box, or let me know if you guys want to see an updated wash and go routine. I'm going to be using the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Style Balm. I just got this product, so this is actually my first time using it. Alright, so for this next part, I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning my hair off into sections because I want to show you guys how I like to use the Denman brush to give me more tighter curls. So I'm going to go ahead and just start off with parting my hair down the middle and then into 4 sections. It just makes it easier for the application. So I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair a little bit more because I really want my hair to soak in these products to give me nice defined curls. So in this section, I'm going to go ahead and just divide this section into 2 just to make the clumps a little bit smaller, not so thick. And I'm just going to rake that through my hair. Just through the pair of hands to make sure every strand is coated. The next step is going to be the Denman brush, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to use it to give me those nice defined curls. So what I like to do is I like to rake. I like to comb it out first with the Denman brush. Go ahead and comb it and just twist the Denman brush with the handle, and that's going to give you more defined curls. Can you see like how defined it is? It's gonna take practice. I mean, it's not gonna be that easy to do at first, you know. With any technique that you use, you do have to practice to master that skill. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep twisting, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, then scrunch. Okay, moving on to the next section, I'm going to go ahead and apply the cream again. And I'm going to divide this section into 2. And this product is pretty thick, so I'm just going to add a little small amount, probably like that much, to that section. Grab the section, put my hair through the brush, twist, and then keep twisting the brush into circles and pull down. So like you're twisting your hair into the handle of the brush to create that nice like spiral curl. Alright, so now that I went ahead and completed this section, the last step is going to be adding the gel. And you guys already know, if you guys see my previous videos, you guys know that I love this gel, which is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I feel like it does such a great job of like really holding my curls together and helping create minimal frizz, because to be honest with you guys, I have frizz and I've tried controlling it and sometimes I can't, and I'm not sure what it is. I'm still trying to experiment to see if maybe I need more protein or if my pH balance is wrong or whatnot. But this really helps with minimizing the frizz that I usually get if I don't apply any gel or anything to tame it. See, I'm going to be applying around that much for that section. And I'm just going to scrunch it in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on this side. I'm gonna add about that much. Section it off. So curl and work the brush downwards. Alright guys, so the last thing left is my bangs, and I like to go ahead and style my style my bangs towards my face. So this is how I like to apply the products, just kind of like raking my hair upwards so it doesn't completely fall like flat on my face. So I like to grab section by section. And then just roll the brush and then let go. So comb it through, roll it, roll my hair, and then let go. That way it's not falling like completely flat on my head, and it's still gonna give me to grab a piece. Put my hair through the brush and then start rolling it outwards away from my hair, and just roll the brush and then let go. It gives me like really nice defined curls, you see? So pretty. Last up is the gel, and I'm only gonna use a little bit because it's just my bangs, so about that much, and scrunch it and then scrunch it to my hair. Alright guys, so I'll be back once my hair is completely dry to show you guys how my curls look at the end with this technique using the Denman brush. Alright you guys, so this is how my hair turned out. I have these beautiful defined curls like you guys can see. They're really nice, tight, and defined. I love when my hair turns out like this. I swear it just looks so nice and put together. I'll go ahead and turn around so you guys can see the back. So usually my back really doesn't get that defined, so I have a lot of trouble trying to define those curls, but every time I use this method, like, my curls look so nice and defined, and I do break them apart just to create a little bit more volume, because when they're all clumped together, I just feel like my hair doesn't have as much volume, so that's one part that I like to do to help create more volume. But yep, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below, or my little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, do not forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys do not miss out on any more of my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye loves. Mwah.